Hey, excuse me. Are you that dental hygienist?
Yes, I'm Talia, the hygienist.
Hey,
How are you?
good. How are you?
Good.
Nice to meet you. Who's this little guy?
Nice to meet you. This is Cupid. This is my dog, Cupid.
So, do you have a few minutes to answer some questions?
Yeah, sure.
So, explain to everybody, what is it that you do?
So I am a dental hygienist. I have been a hygienist now for about a year, and I graduated in 2020. So a lot of my colleagues, we consider clinicals dental hygiene practice. So we can say I've been practicing for 3 years now.
Oh, wow. So you were going to school during the pandemic?
Yes, yeah. My last year was 2020 COVID pandemic time.
So, how did COVID impact you in school?
It impacted me and my fellow classmates a whole lot. We had to do our last semester of clinicals home virtually, so it was tough. I'm sure it was tough for a lot of graduates that graduated in the class of 2020.
How has it impacted, or has it impacted you actually practicing at work?
Well, yeah, like protocols now, PPE, it has always been instilled in the dental field, and I'm sure with medical professionals in clinical setting. But now, after COVID, it's like think of it double, triple
I can
of
only imagine.
PPE. So yeah, it has impacted tremendously.
Is this something you always wanted to do, or you picked it up late?
So I have always had a thing with teeth. When I was a kid, I would pull out my own teeth, and I was really excited to get a treat from the tooth fairy underneath my pillow. So I would pull out my own teeth since I was a kid. So yeah, I've always had a thing for teeth. Um, my mom was a dental assistant, and I was kind of going through one of those crises where you don't know what you want to be. And I ended up finding a picture of myself and my dad in the year 1994. I was 2 years old, and I was in a dental chair with an instrument in my hand, and my dad was sitting on the dental chair. So
You have history.
I have, like, I don't know, it's like this kind of connection there, I guess. So
Okay.
yeah, I kind of always knew I wanted to do something with teeth. And then I
Gotcha.
was a dental assistant, and yeah, now I'm a hygienist. Do you want to come take a walk?
Sure. What are your future goals in the field going forward?
So I have really, I just really want to continue to promote oral hygiene and remind people that your smile is important, and just continuing to make people happy, and getting to know people. So whatever opportunities come my way with dental hygiene, I'm willing to dive right into it.
So, from an oral professional, what are some of your go-to tips on having the perfect smile?
Um, so a lot of people, they really now with like the media, um, they think like you need to have this whole image of perfect Colgate teeth, and that's not the case. So my tips is just brush twice a day and floss at least once a day, and after your meals. Make sure you're just brushing and stimulating in between your teeth, and use a mouthwash or mouth rinse. If you have stomach ulcers, make sure it's non-alcoholic. No alcohol in that mouthwash.
Gotcha. So, other than teeth, do you have any other um, hobbies or interests?
So, absolutely, I am a yoga instructor. I double majored. I don't know, a lot of people don't know that about me. I did new media studies, and there was a time where I did some acting, and I really just love the arts. So, I do a lot of creative things besides dental hygiene, and dentistry is an art, so I do art every single day.
So, is that a typical work outfit that you have on?
Yes, yes. This is figs. It If you have not heard of Figs, they are an amazing scrub company who just really inspires me so much. I feel so comfortable in these. I have all different colors. They're amazing. I absolutely love Figs. They just make me feel really powerful and inspiring for myself and for my patients. So yeah, this is Figs.
And they even have you prepared for the cold weather with
Yes,
the knit hat.
absolutely. They have all kinds of sweaters. This is an under shirt for scrubs. They have compression socks. They have masks, scrub caps, lab coats, you name it. They have it all.
Wow, that's amazing. You look
Yeah.
very nice, by the way.
Thank you.
So, you also do YouTube as well?
Yes, yeah, I do all kind of things with video. I love video.
You want to explain what your channel's about?
It's just pretty much a little peek into my life and what I do creatively. It's just really an outlet. So I talk about dentistry, dental hygiene. I talk about my journey. I talk about just things on my podcast. I have a podcast, Talia Talks podcast. I vlog a lot, and I do just all types of weird, creative things on there, because not only am I a dental professional, I am also a human being who likes art.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yes.
And clearly you enjoy taking your dog out for walks
Yes.
on nice days?
Yes, I do. He loves the park.
Do you have time for one more question?
Sure.
So what is some of your advice for aspiring dental hygienists who are either starting school now or just getting into the field during this pandemic?
So, this pandemic has really impacted a lot of people's lives, personally, professionally. So my biggest advice is really follow your heart, follow your dreams, don't give up. I know it's very intimidating right now during this time, but if this is something that you really want to do and you really feel it deep down in your heart that this is what you want for your future, I would say go for it and don't give up. And yeah, just stay motivated. If you have any questions, please message me, DM me. My doggy, he's like, let's go, Mom. Feel free to reach out. I am always happy to answer questions and emails, whatever you need. I am here to give you some feedback. So my biggest and main key advice is just make sure whatever you're doing, not just dental hygiene, you do it with an open heart and full driven motivation, and yeah.
So how would people be able to reach out to you? Do you have any like social media other than your YouTube?
Yeah, I have a LinkedIn account, Sacred Star Space. It has all my links on there, and Art Rat Tal is my personal, and you can follow me at Dental Hygiene Land on Instagram or Talia Talks on my YouTube channel.
Sounds good. It was nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you.
Have a good day.
Thank you. You too. Bye.